Assalamu alaikum dear students, it's me Gulab Khan and today we're going to talk about king. The first thing I need to introduce myself. My name is Gulab Khan and I belong to Pakistan, and here we have started an English language class where we would be learning different grammar points in this class, and I'll be uploading a video on daily basis, but actually I can't see into camera because there is a flashlight, so extremely sorry for that. And today we're going to learn about can. What is can? Can is actually a modal auxiliary which can be used as a helping verb to help a main verb. So here, for what purpose we use can? So we use it for ability, we use it for offer, we use it for permission, and we use it for request. Okay, so here we go for a structure, formal structure, positive structure, and affirmative structure. Subject we say a person, or noun or pronoun, or doer of an action, worker of an action is called subject. Then we have can. Now many people they pronounce this word differently, like some of them say can and some of them say can. Can is pronounced by British, and can is pronounced by American. So after this we use first form of verb. What is first form of verb? Like for example we say go, went, gone. So go is first form of verb. Then we have object. Object is the receiver of an action. It receives an action from subject, which the action which is performed by subject, that would be received by object. So let's come to this. How do we use for ability? If someone asks you, can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? So how would you answer? Yes, I can drive a car. I can speak English. I can speak Urdu, I can speak Punjabi, I can speak Pashto, I can speak Balochi, or I can speak Spanish. I can ride bike, I can fly aeroplane, and I can call you. So these all things can be used for ability in can. The second one which we have, that is offer. Offer is such a help that you are providing someone else. For example, can I help you giving you presentation on can? Can I help you? Can I drive your car if you're having problem? So in this case we're offering something to someone. It could be like help. Okay, the next one which we have, that is permission. Permission. It is third number. I think I made a mistake. Let me write it. It is third one. Permission. Yes, we use it for permission, but actually it is an informal way. It is not a formal way. Like for example, can I get your ball pen? Can I get your ball pen? So here I use it, but it is informal. Most of the time we can use with our friends. We cannot use with our teachers like an informal way, informal circumstances. And another one, that can I get you a cup? Can I get you a cup? Okay, so in that case we use it for permission. Then we use it for request whenever you need help from someone else. So in that case we use it. For example, can you help me? Then you would be thinking that what is the main difference between offer and request? So the main difference in offer and request: offer, we give someone else our help. For example, he needs help, so we provide him. But in request, we need help from someone else. For example, can you help me? Can you help me? Can you give me 20,000 rupee? Can you give me 20,000? So like it, we use it for request. I hope you people would have got all the information regarding can. If you are having any question regarding can, so you can comment on YouTube, and you must subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video and share with your friend. Thank you.